This just to clean like. Remaining thing. Good. Hey besties, good morning. So it's currently like 8:30. I'm really late. I'm running late for an event. I have a YouTube creators event, so that's where I'm going to. I'm probably going to do my hair and like my makeup in my Uber, but for now, baby girl, we're out of time and there's mad traffic, Lagos. But anyway, I wanted to welcome you back to my Vlogmas. I think this should be day 5, so welcome back besties to Vlogmas day 5. So yeah, let's go. Okay, yeah. Actually, we don't really have much. tech. Women following. We're taking. So we step. But we're just coming to me. Can't you not see this? That's what makes we work for YouTube. But we speak it into existence. We can never tell. Exactly. We speak it into existence. I've tried my best, and Lord knows. And then you're also a weakness. You know I tried my best.
But your export should be fast.
Yeah, my export is very fast.
FCPX is fast. That's what I
I want to give a big shout out to my work bestie, my work buddy, Miss Ibidu Ni.
Hi guys. Don't break off my neck.
Okay, help me.
Hi guys.
You guys should tell her thank you for pushing me, because if you were left to me, I would have want to relax. But Vlogmas Day 1 is up, and I hope you guys watched it. And if you didn't watch it, I'll put like a link here so you can go and check it out and enjoy. Good morning, besties. Good morning. So today is Friday. My voice is still raspy because 1, I just woke up. 2, yesterday was a YouTube event and I was doing a lot of screaming and just happy about the YouTube event. It was really nice. It was an amazing event. I would really love to go for more like YouTube content creator events. Like that was my first like event as a content creator, so it was a really nice experience, and I was really glad that it was a YouTube event because YouTube is my platform. So it was a really nice event, meeting other creators and just like not feeling weird holding up my camera because everybody and their mommy was vlogging. Yeah, it was a really nice experience, and I would love to really go back for more. And also I'm manifesting more content creator events, not just YouTube but like brands and all of that. Yeah, so this morning I'm just gonna clean up my room because my room is kind of messy. It is not kind of, it is messy. I'm gonna clean up my room and then get back to editing Vlogmas. And then yeah, yesterday I was really happy because like I didn't even know the importance of having like a content buddy or being around creatives like yourself, because it just motivates you. Like yesterday I spent the whole day with my new content buddy, Miss Ibiduni Osho. She really pushed me to drop my Vlogmas on day 1, so I was really excited about that, and I now know the essence of having like a content buddy. Yeah, but so yeah, bestie girls, okay, we're just gonna do what we have to do and get to work. Chop. We need to round up 2022 with a bang. Oh, because I'm still wearing the band that they gave us on YouTube. I don't know, this thing is always hard to remove. Once they just put it on, you have to cut it off, and it's so cute. My first ever YouTube event band. I'm keeping that. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. girl. So you guys just saw me do like a quick tidy up of my room. I realized I didn't show you guys like the goodie bag YouTube shorts gave us yesterday. Yeah, so I'm really excited. Like I'm hyped to have something from YouTube because this is my platform. So they gave us a YouTube shorts journal slash diary. I don't know, I haven't even opened it, but okay, yeah, that's a journal basically, and it just says YouTube shorts. And I really like the whole wooden can you guys see this wooden stuff here? It's not wooden, is it cork? I don't know. And then they gave us a pen that just says YouTube. So yeah, so we can, like, if you're a content creator, you know how important it is to just write down stuff. So I'm gonna be writing down stuff in my journal. Okay, I'm gonna be planning my YouTube videos in my YouTube journal. Okay. So yeah, but that's what they gave us. And then yeah, I wanted to show you guys what I got from AliExpress for my new laptop. If you do not know, I just picked up a MacBook Pro M2 cheap 2022 model. Yeah, I'm sure you guys saw it in my first Vlogmas. If you didn't catch up with my first Vlogmas video, my Vlogmas day 1, make sure you do that. I'll put the link here and also in the description box. So yeah, the first thing I picked up is a laptop cover or a laptop case. Yeah, laptop case, aka laptop pouch. I got a transparent one because I like the color of my laptop, so I just needed something to protect it from scratching, but I like the color of my laptop. I think she's sexy. So yeah, I got that from AliExpress. I'll try to put the link in the description box, so in case you're interested in like the price and all of that, because I can't really remember. And then the next thing I got is this hard drive pouch. Yeah, it's like, it's a hard drive pouch, but you can also keep like your battery, camera battery, like all your cords that you need. It has like this pouch here. I don't know if you guys can see. And then it's really hard, so in case your hard drive falls on the ground, it will be protected. So I just needed to get a pouch like this because, hold on, is my product for photography on? It's not. Yeah, I needed a pouch like this just so that I wouldn't misplace any of my essentials, editing essentials. So yeah, that's why I got this. And this was, I think it was very expensive for a pouch. I don't know, I think it was up to like $5. I'm not really sure, but I'll put it in the description box. And then the last thing I got is this little guy here. This is a laptop or device cleaner. So I'm really messy with the maintenance of my laptop, and that's not good. Ibidini was telling me that I need to take care of my laptop. If not, it can actually spoil the laptop. So this is what it looks like. It's really small, and then it has like a brush. Can you see the brush there? And then this stuff is like a screen wiper. Okay, and then what else does it do? And then this other side, you can do this just to clean like corners. And then what else? Okay, yeah, so you can take this part out, and then it's a little spray bottle for like water or like your multi-purpose cleaner, just to wipe down your screen. So you can use this on your phone and laptop or whatever devices you have. I'm really excited to do this. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna try to clean up our laptop. So yeah, I just want to film an unboxing for TikTok, and I'll be right back. Okay.